Ciao comrades, hola compañeros, welcome, pleasure. Today we are looking at the brand new Switch ports, Doom RPG, Doom 2 RPG and Wolfenstein RPG. If you've never heard about them, they are actually very decent games, especially if you are a fan of Doom or Wolfenstein. They are played also from a first-person perspective, but instead of a first-person shooter, they are more like a turn-based action RPG. You got all the good weapons, chainsaw, you killing enemies, you taking turns, you gaining new experience, you upgrading, you unlocking new doors. The graphics are old school, but man, I do really like these games. So, let's get into it. First and foremost, huge thanks to the developers, PG team. They've ported all these three games to the Switch. Here on the website you can see changelog, FAQ, credits, and of course installation. Doom RPG was also ported to new 3DS, and all of these games have been already ported to the Vita. Let's look at the installation. As you can see, it's very simple. Download, copy, launch, and enjoy. Doom 2 RPG exactly same, and Wolfenstein RPG also exactly same steps. This is what you're gonna end up with. Inside the Switch there is a Doom RPG folder, Doom 2 RPG and Wolfenstein folder. Inside of each folder there are all the necessary files. This is inside of the Wolfenstein RPG folder, and this is Doom 2 RPG folder. And that's pretty much it. You can install it as an icon, that's what I prefer, or you can also launch it from within the homebrew launcher. Forgot to mention, but clearly your Switch needs to be hacked for these ports to work. In the options, we can change some languages, English, France, Italian, Espanol. And we can also change some video options, resolution, VSync, TinyGL, and we can also remap controls. Same goes for Doom 2 RPG. Under video we can change same options as in Wolfenstein RPG, and we can also remap controls. And in Doom 1 RPG this one is pretty bare bones, there is not much to play with. Just help about or continue or start new game. Doom 1 RPG has the worst graphics. Doom 2 and Wolfenstein RPG, they are looking pretty good actually. But in terms of gameplay they are all very similar. You're just taking steps, going through the maze, reading messages, and then you're also killing everything that crosses your path. Of course you need to search for keys to unlock the doors, to proceed to the next level, etc. If you've never tried it, I think it's definitely worth installing if your Switch is hacked clearly. I'm sure the official port of these games would have never happened, mostly because they are forgotten. In spite of them being forgotten, I think they are really hidden gems. I've been already talking about all of them when they were released on the Vita, and as I said, they are really good. I remember playing especially the Doom 1 RPG back on my old Sony Ericsson. It was in Russian, so I couldn't really read anything, but I was having a lot of fun with it. So if you're a fan of these old school first-person shooters, I would definitely recommend to try it out. Installation is super simple, you don't need no plugins. Overall, very solid port, I'm a big fan. When I'm looking at the latest video published on this channel, it was 306 days ago. It was mostly because, I didn't know what to post in here. Latest long form video that I posted was this one, Switch ports of Fallout 1 and 2. Then I was just working on the videos on Zelos Chuck channel. There were actually interesting topics worth releasing, but I never get to them. I don't know what's gonna happen now. I was even thinking about releasing this video on the main channel, but then I decided to release it on the Son of a Z, because that's where I already released some Switch ports. So here it is for you, I hope you're gonna enjoy it. I would like to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!